Hi, everybody. All right, for today's book talk, we have a nonfiction kind of biography medical story. This is called The Spirit Catches You and You Fall Down, a Hmong child, her American doctors, and the collision of two cultures. And now, you may know this. It's not new. I would almost say this is kind of a classic book now. But as everyone always, you continue to work and develop your skills in trying to reach out and connect with other cultures. I think this is a book that you can read that shows definitely collisions of cultures, definitely over an important issue. And also, everybody kind of tried their best here and just things didn't necessarily work out very well for them. So the idea is that the main character here is the child, Lia Lee, and she is a Hmong child living in Minnesota and develops epilepsy. But that's not the way it's viewed sort of by her family and by her culture. And the clash between like traditional Western medicine and doctors know what to do and her family who say, yeah, we know what to do too. We have a different idea, but we also know what to do. Um, it's very interesting. So if you're interested in thinking about how you can sort of express yourself and come to terms with people who have maybe very different cultural starting points, but also just different philosophies, I guess. This would be a good book for that. And if you're interested in working on different medical issues, we have a lot of students here who are going into different kinds of medical, nursing, dental assistant fields. Being able to talk to people in a way that makes sense to them and speaks to them and does not just belittle them for their own perspectives is really important. So anyway, this is a good book. It'll take you a little bit to read through, but don't worry. We have it at the library. We are happy to loan it to you. And if you need it longer, we'll renew it. Don't even worry about it. All right. Come check this out at the library. We've got others. If you like this, we can get you more. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.